is your shredded Pilates bar body workout in just 10 days. So I want you to do this workout every single day for 10 days and just see your transformation, not only in your body, but your mindset and also your strength too. You do need to make sure that you are subscribed to this channel so that you can keep finding this workout and doing it for 10 days in a row. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. You can add weights into this workout if you just want to have a little bit of an extra boost, plus it is going to help you get shredded. So I do recommend, even if it is lightweight, that you use some weights. We're going to get started first of all in a wide plie, and all we're going to do is we're going to take those hips and tuck them underneath. I'm going to give you cues throughout, and that's what's going to help you get the results. This channel is different. We're going to come all the way down. We're going to bring those arms out overhead, and then we're going to take it into a heel raise, and we're going to stay nice and low. So arms over the top of your head. 30 seconds is on the clock. Let's get started. Tuck your hips underneath. Really lift those heels up nice and strong, and then bring it all the way down. That's it. Heels are lifted. Sink down just a little bit further. So every single time that you come back into that plie position, and when you think, can I sink my hips down even more? And that's going to get that full range of motion. All right, inhale through the nose and exhale everything out. Sink down a little bit more. Arms overhead for 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, you're going to come into a first position. We're going to take it into a plie, and as you plie, we're going to take one arm extension out to the side. So hold that core nice and tight, and then press those knees out to the side, and then we're just going to take one arm out to the side. A nice lateral raise out nice and long. Think about using your back and your shoulders to really feel that arm being lifted. Instead of thinking of your arm lifting your weights or your hands lifting your weights, I want you to imagine it is your back. Here we go. We've got 10 seconds right here. Really press those arms out to the side. Squeeze those glutes as you stand up into your plie position for 3 and 2 and 1 and release. Okay, we're going to flip your weights over the other side, and we're going to take it into a nice curtsy lunge with a bicep curl. The key here is to keep your elbows close toward your body. So give me that nice low curtsy lunge so that we work on our glutes and our lower body and our quads, and then give me that full range of motion with your bicep curl, keeping your shoulders back and your elbows tucked in towards your waist. Chest is lifted. Let's see if we can get down just a little bit lower. Okay, here we go. Nice work. Inhale and exhale. Breathe through it and think about squeezing your glutes as you stand up. Give me one more and release. Okay, we're going to take it into a kick forward and then into a wide plie. So all you're going to do is you're going to kick forward with your leg right here, and then we're going to take it into a wide plie and squeeze. And then we're going to switch over to the other side. So kick forward, nice and wide, bring those weights right in front, and then squeeze those glutes. Bring it over to the other side. So you're in that first position, leg goes out, into second, give me a nice little plie, and then come over to the other side. Here we go, up, and repeat over to the other side. Knees out, and squeeze. Give me one more, see if you can lift that leg just a little bit higher, bring it back to the center, and gently squeeze. Okay, we're gonna take it into a bent leg. Let's bend that left leg to begin with. We're gonna extend that right leg all the way back, and all we're gonna take it into is the little raises with a pulse. So raise and pulse. Palms are gonna be facing towards you, lift up and pulse. Now you can flex that foot, bend that front knee, and then lean into it. Now, point your foot. There we go. Feel the difference and squeeze. Drop your shoulders down. Give yourself a nice little smile. We've got this. Inhale through your nose and exhale everything out. Now bend that front leg just a little bit more and point your toe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gently release. Okay, we're gonna take it over to your other side. Take a nice big inhale and a nice big exhale. Bend that front leg, lean into it so that the other leg is straight. Both palms are facing towards you with your weights, and you're gonna extend up, little pulse, and then down to the ground. So you have little to no weight in your back leg. All of the tension is in your front glute, your front quad, and that calf muscle. Bend down just a little bit further. dropping the shoulders and giving yourself a smile. Here we go for the final 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gently release. Woo, amazing work, everybody. Now look, that's just a little starter of some ballet burn, bar workout, Pilates. If you really like that style, I've got lots of Pilates workouts on this channel. I picked my favorite 2 to do next because look, I know and you know that you've got a little bit more gas in your tank. So don't make any other plans right now. Don't think about it. Just pick A or B. All right, get to work.